It's just sneeze. So what am I? Hey, so hey, what's big, Murray? Elmo, what is? You're dragon. What do you mean dragon? So just look at you. OMG, you're right. So look at that plot of yours. So what was I doing? I'm just holding this book. No. Yes. So what do you like, pony? No, it's even better. So a unicorn. That was awesome. So now so what's the sparkle nose anyway? So much sparkle nose. So what's my so teacher? So for so what the flying fish fairy school. Okay, Elmo. Yeah. Woo! You saved me. Yeah, I know. So nice light. The technique. Thank you. Okay. So what am I gonna do now? So look at you. So your plot. What? Okay. So how are we flying while doing this right now? I'm doing it now. So or just me, somebody already do. Zordy to Pegasus to look like Peck. So I'm the Pegasus that so that there so trying to look like Peck. Yeah, I know it looks like Peck anyway. Okay, so fly down, so Peck, fly down, Peck. Whee! Big Mac. So who did I saw anyway? So what's that? It's a Big Mac. Oh look, it's those are some pony. Tell. Hello. Well, that was interesting, all right. Okay, this is where the telly works. So right here. Whoa, wait. So watch me now. Yep. Good afternoon. So my name is hello there. So my name is Telly. Actually I okay. So what's your name? So my name is like so Abby Cadabby. It's okay, Abby Cadabby. So meet my family. Son of the pony. So there's like so apple fritter, caramel, the cupcakes, so many people, so many characters, and big Macintosh, Apple Bloom, and Granny Smith. Hello. Okay, a cage! Hi? What are you doing? Okay, fine. Yay! 2 minutes later. Okay, what are we gonna do next? So there's this guy named Bert. So up in the sky. But the bird can't fly. Ah! Bert, really? Excuse me? So somebody's gonna do it. Boom, boom. Oops. I guess I overdid it. So let me just do this with rainbow dryer. Yeah. No. Just don't take me. Really? So you're Bert. Yeah. So I just so live with Ernie. Who's Ernie anyway? I do not know. The horses they used to talk like an Appleton. I do not know. So look what I am training for. The Wonderful. The Wonderful? Yeah. Okay. So what do you think? So think of my hair. It's like crazy. Oh. Okay. Okay then. Okay, so go over there, so for the far out, so Grover's Boutique! Okay. That's cool, right? So did you just fart or something? So they used to keep on farting. Oh well. So let me just fill your hair. Shut up already. Grover's Boutique. Okay, so doesn't this place so beautiful or something? Yeah, I think so. But him. Okay. Oh goodness no. Oh hi. I'm just going to tone. Okay. So how many of you? Oh my! What just happened to your hair? Oh, you mean my mane? Well, it's a long story. The Bert? Really? Bert? So where are you taking me? Where are you taking me? No. Okay, so that there, so that there should do it. Okay, that's good. So I just want to be super, really fabulous. It's for my mane. So it's just purple. So okay. Oh, Jay, so your necklace came off. Okay, bye. Okay, so that was so beautiful. So did you know that she's a boy? So not exactly. So excuse me for a minute. Mordecai, Sophia, so gentle now. And follow me, please. 1, a 2. A 1, 2, 3. Hello! I'm sorry for that. So but your music is like so beautiful. I'm Abby Cadabby. What's your name? I'm Big Bird. I'm sorry, what was that? My name is Big Bird. Didn't quite catch that. Well, the birds are back. Okay, then. Good work, Elmo. Oh, a dragon! How are you? So hi, my name is Big Bird. It's so cute. Well. Okay, you're like so freaking awesome. So let me just marry you. Since I'm human. Whoa. So did I float or something? Yeah. So right. So we're magic. So my name is Big Bird. Okay. So what's your name? I'm Elmo. Okay. Elmo, Zono is a talking dragon. So I just forgot it's an episode so called Elmo's World. Oh, okay. Tell me more. Oh, okay. So I'm like so back to my home. Okay. Okay. Oh, Elmo. So did you just fall? Okay. Something's just gonna heal you up. You're not dramatic. Okay, this is like, so really so disturbing. Some eyes were like glowing. Ah! Surprise! Surprise! Hi, I'm Mariza, and I'm here just for you. So where are you? Very surprised. Why do you talk so loud? I don't know. The because I have ADHD. Well, boring. So this. Zooidum syndrome. And also, it's like so there's this theory rule of Dora the Explorer. The Down syndrome. Are you white, Abby Cadabby? Oh, so that was like fiery. Hot sauce. Ooh, so let me just try some with a cupcake. Spicy. Elmo, so what are you doing to what's that cake on your head? So these people are crazy. Okay, so I almost like, so gonna go, the back to the party. See you later. Okay. So I just hope that so there's like a man on the moon, or something. A man is on the moon, so that's cool or something. A man on the moon, so that's like, so we were super over, so that's like just, so that's just the same from the book. Yeah, come on, for the what? Hi again! I'm so cool! Hey, yeah! That's all! I am the mayor of Sesame Street here, and I'm a 5-star ponies. Okay. So there's like, so there's the type of, so first the types of breeds. Alicorn, unicorn, the earth pony, and also Pegasus. And it's applause together, so for Light Brand Day. So come on, do it again. Light Brand Day. She's gone? See you later, so for the folks. What? That's so freaking awesome! She's missing. Missing? Okay, that's weird. OMG, it's Starburst Sparky! OMG, Dark Sparky! It's Dark Sparky, everyone! Hello, everybody, it's me, Dark Sparky here, and also today, so I'm gonna murder you all. What? So let's go kill some ponies. There's only Call of Duty. Apple and candy. Shut up, birdies. I hate nature. And you. I hate fashion. So what's armor? What? What do you freaking mean? Dark Sparky? Well, it's like so weird that the dragons transformed into the what? What do you mean? Okay, I'm sorry, so I'm like evil life. And now